Welcome to Art Hub. Let's draw school bag. Lunchbox. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to my channel for more drawing videos. Like and share this video. A water bottle. Pencil. Let's draw a book. Now let's make it more prominent. Now let's color together. We are using light blue color. To color the bag, we are using light blue color. This is light blue color. Which color is this? This is light blue color. Good job. Light blue color. Now we are using pink color. Pink color. Subscribe for more drawing videos. This is pink color. To color the water bottle, we are using light green color. Light green color. Which color is this? This is light green color. Orange color. Orange color. This is orange color. Again, light green color. Light green color. For pencil, we are using purple color. To color the pencil, we are using purple color. Brown color. This is brown color. Brown color. Pink color. Black color. Let's color the book. We are using red color. Red color. Red color. Which color is this? This is red color. Good job. Yellow color. Yellow color. This is yellow color. Light green color. Good job. Orange color. To color the lunchbox, we are using orange color. Orange color. Pink color. Subscribe for more drawing videos. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.